Hi, welcome. Here I have a YouTuber's phone, and obviously this is his younger self, and right now he's much older. And he said he subscribed to my channel, so which he did, and I found out that he's a subscriber. So in return, I was telling him that I'll change the screen for free at no extra cost. And this is the iPhone 8 Plus, and his phone on the touchscreen, sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Obviously, I think it was a drop or something happened to the screen. So I'll be changing a new screen for him at no cost. And just because he's a nice guy and a YouTuber and he subscribed to my channel. So let's go ahead and turn off the phone. Gonna remove the two screws here at the bottom. So if you do subscribe to my channel and you happen to be around coming into the store, I might change the phone screen for you for free at no cost. I mean, I do not do that all the time or do that to everybody. But since he picked his way to me, so I said, okay, fine, I'll change the phone at no cost. And if you happen to be that person in the future, sure, I'll change the phone for you at no cost as well. But you got to talk me into it, believing, I need to make sure that we get that connection and believe into, then I'll change the phone at no cost. Change the screen for you at no cost. All right. All right. So this is an iPhone 8 Plus. Obviously, I have to cut the adhesive. Let's use the Philip. This is 1.5. That's the screw. Let's remove them. There are 5 screws in total. The one on the bottom left is much longer compared to the rest of it. So when we change the iPhone screen, I usually transfer the proximity sensor and the ear speaker, that is the original. We're going to transfer over to the new screen. We have to remove the screws here. So 1, 2. That is the proximity sensor, the camera, the front camera, and the ear speaker. So all of that has to be transferred over to the new screen. So I got to be very gentle, trying to pry it, expose the proximity sensor. Okay, I'm going to remove this piece of a tape and re-tape it back to the front here to cover up that metal piece. Okay, so that is the old screen and that is the new screen. Oh, I forgot the home button. We need to transfer the home button as well. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, remove the 4 screws, the bracket. That's the connector. Okay, we have all of that being transferred over. Now we're gonna do the final screws here. For this. Okay, the phone is powering on. I just have to finish up the two bracket, installing them back together, and that should be it. Okay, and last but not least, the two screws, and that should be it at the end of the video. Let's just replace the iPhone 8 Plus, this young YouTuber here. And if you've liked the video, please subscribe, hit the like button. And always, thanks for watching. Looks good. Bye now.